Is your sleeping direction hurting your relationship? Do you know that the direction in which you sleep can influence your relationship? If I tell you, many of the couples they spend years together in solving their misunderstandings, problems, they are not able to understand what is the issue, but they spend lots of money on their bedroom mattresses, their bedroom decors, home decors, but they never check the direction in which they are sleeping. Is it वास्तु compliant? और आज के इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे व्हाट इज द करेक्ट स्लीपिंग डायरेक्शन फॉर अ मैरिड कपल। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूँ वास्तु कंसल्टेंट डॉक्टर प्रज्ञा काळे एंड आई एम वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट वास्तु फॉर होम। As I have experienced it myself, I want to help you and others. If you feel like stuck in life, not able to grow in spite of your potential, and some negative energies is holding you back, if you don't know where to start. So this is the right time if you want to redesign your home or before your next interiors or painting of your house. Get your Vastu check and you will feel like shift in the energy towards positive side within next 2 to 3 months, and you will feel more joyful, more enthusiastic and more creative in the same house with the same job and working pattern which you are doing at present and with the same people around. Now there are some directions which should be completely avoided in married life. One is south-southwest, that is the direction of disposal, जहाँ पे किसी भी married couple ने नहीं सोना चाहिए. Second direction is the west-northwest, it is the direction of depression, वहाँ पे भी किसी married couple ने नहीं सोना चाहिए. And third direction is east-southeast. This is the direction of anxiety and churning. In this direction also a married couple should not sleep, otherwise they will keep fighting with each other और मन में बहुत ज़्यादा churning और anxiety चलती रहेगी. One more direction in which a married couple should not sleep is southeast direction. इस डायरेक्शन अगर मैरिड कपल रहेगा तो उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा झगड़े पाए गए हैं, इसीलिए दिस इज द वन मोर डायरेक्शन विच इज कंसिडर्ड नॉट सुटेबल टू स्लीप फॉर अ मैरिड कपल. सो वास्तु में for a married couple, the best sleeping directions are actually only two. One direction is north-northwest. So this direction is best for sleeping for a newly married couple because this is the direction of attraction. Also, if the newly married couple sleeps in this direction, their initial days of their marriage lives goes smoothly. There is love, affection. There are less misunderstandings, less fights. Also, it helps to develop a good bonding between them. Second direction to sleep for a married couple is southwest. So southwest itself is a direction of relationship. If a couple sleeps in this direction, they will give stability in their life because this direction also denotes stability. But if you are staying with your parents or one more married couple who is elderly or your अगर आपके माता पिता या फिर इन-लॉज के साथ आप अगर रहते हो तो साउथ वेस्ट के डायरेक्शन में अगर आपका बेडरूम है तो इट इज बेटर दैट यू गिव इट टू देम एंड यू कैन चूज वेस्ट डायरेक्शन और नॉर्थ नॉर्थ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन टू स्लीप बिकॉज साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन ये एक्चुअली पितरों की दिशा है, अपने एल्डरली की दिशा है. अगर आपके घर में कोई माता पिता आपके साथ रहते हैं या इन लॉज रहते हैं तो उनको आप सोने के लिए साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन का बेडरूम दे सकते हो क्योंकि ये पितरों की दिशा है, तो पितरों का आशीर्वाद अपने घर में बना रहता है. लेकिन अगर आप अकेले मैरिड कपल रहते हो तो आप साउथ वेस्ट की डायरेक्शन में कैन स्टे. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड एक प्यारा सा कमेंट आप लिख के भेज सकते हो. अगर आप कोई एक स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे नेक्स्ट वीडियो जानना चाहते हो तो मैं जल्द ही उस टॉपिक पे एक वीडियो बना के पोस्ट करने की कोशिश करूंगी. धन्यवाद.